Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alecia's Kitchen. So in today's guys, I'll be making a cream cheese and spinach stuffed chicken breast. On the side we have mixed little gems potatoes. For my veg we have green and yellow beans and also carrots. So guys, thank you once more for tuning in to yet another episode of Alecia's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And guys, this meal is perfect for any occasion, birthday celebration, anniversary, whatever it is guys. This meal is amazing for whatever celebration you guys are celebrating. I'll be celebrating with you guys, so let's jump right into this video. And now guys, I'm using some large chicken breasts, and these are low sodium chicken breasts. Now guys, I'm making a pocket on the side of my chicken, and be careful with that knife because you need a very sharp knife to really cut this. And I'm just creating a pocket, then I'll be stuffing that with my cream cheese stuffing. Now guys, when purchasing the cream cheese for this dish, make sure to purchase the herb cream cheese because guys, this has so much flavor. You guys will not regret purchasing this one, I promise you. Now guys, the spinach for this one, I don't remember what brand it is. I really don't remember, but I mean any spinach will do. And guys, I also changed my bowls because I wanted something with a bit more room, and this was perfect. And guys, just stir it until everything combines. Now guys, because I want my breast to be very creamy, I'm just gonna add some heavy cream on the bottom of my Pyrex dish, and I'm just adding some paprika just to flavor it up, and also some garlic powder and black pepper. Now guys, for one of the most important part, you don't want to season your chicken breast with no salt and pepper. I mean, that's not gonna work. This needs to have flavor, this needs to have seasoning guys, and this salt and pepper just won't do. So I'm going in with my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and when I tell you guys, this is a go-to fall seasoning. This has everything, every single thing guys, everything this season has. And I mean, you're gonna go also in with your paprika, garlic powder, I mean whatever seasoning you guys have in your cupboard, just throw it in there. Just make sure that it's flavorful. Now I'm going in with a spoon, and I'm just gonna stuff the breast. You don't want to overstuff your breast because it'll just ooze out. Okay, now I'm just sealing the sides guys, and I'll be using a toothpick to do that, just to hold it, Then I'm just gonna lay that in the dish. But guys, I'm gonna change the dish further on down the video because this was a bit too small and I wanted something with a bit more room. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yo guys, I mean, come on now, look at this. This was so good. It was so creamy, and oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah, just go ahead and seal your sides, just making sure that everything stays put, stays together. Now guys, I also went in with some sharp cheddar. You know, as I said, I want my cream cheese to be creamy, and I'm also gonna add some broccoli on top of that, though it burned, the top of it got burned, and I toss it. I mean, you can just omit this one and add bacon to it if you want. Now guys, I'm covering that with some foil paper, and I'm just making sure that the heat is trapped, like everything fully cooks through, and that is going to take about 25 to 30 minutes max. And yeah, so now guys, I'm using these assorted gem potatoes, and these are just an assortment of, you know, different types of potatoes: purple, red, yellow, whatever it is. And I'm just cutting these in two. If it's big, you can just go ahead and cut it in four. Now to season my potatoes, guys, I'm using, just drizzling some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil on those potatoes. Then I'm going in with some paprika. And paprika is perfect on roasted potatoes, guys. Perfect. Black pepper and oregano. Old Bay seasoning, and some garlic powder. And last but not least, y'all know my favorite, parsley. And you're just tossing those around, making sure that everything is fully combined. Now guys, to give the potato a bit more flavor, you can always go in with pepper, red onion, whatever you guys have in hand, you can use it, but you don't have to, it's optional. I'm just a lover of flavor. So yeah, you're just gonna just dice those into medium-sized dices, and yeah. Now I'm just lining my sheet tray with foil, and I'm just gonna lay those on my thin sheet, and I'll be baking those for about 20 minutes. Colorful and beautiful. It looks exactly as it tastes, guys. Promise you. Guys, forgive me. I went ahead and I blanched my veggies off camera. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. So now I'll be fine dicing some red onion and garlic, you know, just to flavor just to flavor my veggies. Now guys, on a skillet on medium heat, I'm gonna add butter to that skillet, and I'm just gonna wait until it heated for a bit. Then I'm just gonna add my onion and my garlic to that butter, and I'm just gonna let that saute for about 30 to 35 seconds until it's fragrant. And now guys, I'm adding my veggies to that mix. And I'm just gonna let that, you know, saute for about couple seconds, also because it's already blanched, it's already cooked. You don't want your veggies to be soft and mushy, you want it to be crunchy. I like my veggies crunchy, so I'm adding salt and pepper to flavor it, and yeah, that's about it. Can you guys smell that? Hold on guys, can you smell that? Okay guys, now that my chicken and my potatoes are out of the oven, it's time to plate. So now guys, on a plate, you just want to gently lay your potatoes, just, you know, plate it beautifully, honey, because, you know, a lot of persons eat with their eyes. I eat with my eyes. If it doesn't look good, I'm not gonna eat it, okay? Now guys, I'm removing my toothpick from that chicken because you don't want to serve it, you know. You don't want to serve it with a toothpick in it. I mean, that's just dangerous. And I'm just cutting my chicken, and you guys, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, creamy. I mean guys, oh, hold on. It was so creamy and good. Amazing dish guys, this was amazing, no lie. And now guys, we've come to the end of yet another amazing, successful, beautiful, delicious, amazing video. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become a family over here, because over here is great. It's a beautiful place over here, okay? A very godly place, okay? God is here. God is in this place, okay guys? So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification guys, okay? Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Guys, I have amazing things coming, amazing. I'll also be doing a lot of baking. Yeah, oh, you definitely want to see that part. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.